guys! Tonight I'm going to teach you how to make golden milk. This is one of our favorite drinks here at home because of its several benefits. So what are the ingredients? You need almond milk, you need sweetener. It can be any sweetener of your preference. For us, we use cocoa sugar, sometimes we use honey, turmeric, coconut oil, virgin, organic and virgin coconut oil, and you need a bit of cinnamon as well as black pepper. Without it, I read somewhere else that without black pepper, curcumin won't be absorbed by the body. Okay, so what do we need? We need 2 cups of any unsweetened milk. It can be almond milk, cocoa milk, cashew milk. Oh, I don't have enough. Okay. Here's another box of almond milk. So let's add half cup. And then the next one is a teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. Okay, this is a teaspoon of ground turmeric. That smells good. After that, a pinch of black pepper. You can put more. I love pepper. I don't mind putting more pepper. And then 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now after putting the cinnamon, your golden milk really smells good. I love that. Then after cinnamon, cocoa sugar. Um, 1 teaspoon. That will be fine. And then we have cocoa oil, also 1/2 teaspoon. Oops, virgin coconut oil. This is also very good for health. Cocoa oil. And then we have to mix this all up. Mix everything until they are well incorporated. The cinnamon powder, the turmeric powder, pepper powder. And then what we need to do is to heat this up, but not to its boiling point. Okay? So 1 cup before you sleep and experience the benefits of golden milk. Now every time we drink this, oh, we really sleep soundly. Really good night's sleep. Okay, so we are now heating up our golden milk. Remember that it should not reach the boiling point. Just heat up a bit. Now you can see how golden it is. It's beautiful. And then you have the cinnamon powder and the pepper powder floating on top. And it smells really, really good. So how do you know it's ready? When it starts to have small bubbles, or you can simply feel it like that. Feel it, feel it, feel it. And if you're brave enough, you can simply dip your finger like this. Chuck! No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. We just stay healthy and not burn ourselves. Okay, look at that. There. This is what we are looking for. Yeah. Starts to bubble up a bit. There, there, there. Wait for it. Wait for it. And turn off. Okay. Wow. Let's have some golden milk before we sleep. Smells good. Cheers to health. So creamy and delicious golden milk.